Hi, Michael Tebow here with this week's edition of Mike's Marketing Minutes, the done-for-you marketing systems, get it done for you, get it out marketing company. And this week I want to talk about the hardest thing you have to do in your business, which is attract new customers to come to your business, actually to find them, to attract them, get their attention, and then to convince them to try your business. Because without new customers, you know your business is going to die because of those 37 reasons why people will leave your business, most of which aren't in your control. So I was talking to one of our platinum members this morning. We were discussing the difference between new customer acquisition and existing customer marketing. So it's two different types of marketing. You're going to be talking to your prospects differently than you're going to be talking to your existing customers. So I'm going to give you the three things that you need to include to attract and get new customers to try your business. And I'm going to start off with the most important thing, and this is the one that scares the heck out of business owners, and that is the offer. You need to have a compelling offer, something that's going to get the attention of your prospect and then convince them to come in to try your business. Now, one of my marketing mentors, very good friend of mine, is Mr. Bill Glazer. And one of the things that Bill told me that I still remember to this day, and I hold true in all my marketing, is, Mike, he said, don't get cheap with your marketing. And I tell it to my clients, and in respect to their initial offer, because you need to have a great offer, and don't put a bunch of restrictions on it, like you need to buy $30, $40, $50 before you get a benefit, or you can only use this on Tuesdays and Thursdays between the hours of 5 p.m. and 6 p.m. Don't get crazy with the exemptions, because that will reduce your response rate. What you want to do is use the most powerful word in marketing, which is free. So give them something free with no strings attached. That's the most powerful offer you can make to get new customers. So remember that when you're creating that all-important offer, because it's super difficult to motivate people now to get into action and to try your business. Okay, the second thing you need for new customer acquisition in your marketing is you need to have proof, right? Proof, which is social proof, which is reviews. Because the first thing people are going to do before even trying a free offer from your business is go online and check your business out. So those reviews are so important, because they believe what other people have to say about your business more so than what you have to say, obviously. Now, the third point that you need in new customer acquisition is a sense of urgency, which is a deadline. So you need to have a very prominent deadline on your offer. And I wouldn't, depending on your business, like auto repair shops will go out a little bit further, but for restaurants and retail, 30 days. And sometimes even 2 weeks. So don't go longer than that, because you want to create a sense of urgency and you want it to be extremely prominent in all your marketing, because that will get them into action. So new customer acquisition is much different, with a different offer and a different language that we talk to than our existing customers. Remember, you don't always have to keep priming the pump, because then you won't have a marketing program. You'll have a discount program to get your existing customers to come back more often. If you need help with any of this, especially crafting an offer to motivate your new customers to try your business, just click the button below and sign up for a free strategy session. You can fill out the 2.7-second form, and we'll jump on a call and we can talk about what you're doing right now, look at your competition, and what you should be doing in the future to capture more new customers for your business. Have a great week and happy marketing.